welcome back. My name's Elena and I'm solo traveling Costa Rica. To pick up where I left off, I hopped on not one, but two planes from Montezuma to La Fortuna. I made it to town and I'm on my way to reunite with Yana, who I met in Santa Teresa. We're looking at local activities before heading to dinner, and a lot of restaurants seem on the touristy side, but we're settling for this one. Good morning, it is day one in La Fortuna. I'm rushing to a bank ATM before the shuttle arrives that is taking us to a very exciting adventure today. Video. And we're off! On this adventure, we may see some sloths and other wildlife, a viewpoint of the volcano, and learn about the Indigenous Maluku tribe. This tour is $112 per person. We made it to our first stop, the Maluku Ranch.
In Maluku language, cheers is apufa bato irichia. Repeat, apufa bato irichia. Cheers.
Apufa bato. Kasaban.
One more time.
Mawe. Capilla. New. Ina. Nyote. Natoji.
Mahue capilla means how are you? Ina house is the two different pants. This protect the roof and the little mosquitoes. The church means the party, dance, chicha. What kind of skin?
Snake. Lizard.
Snake.
Lizard.
They make the different masks. Jaguar mask for representativity of the women for your colors and sons. Makar African cap. Got it? Yes?
Got it.
Thank you so much, my friend, for investing one moment here today. Dokukito mitear means God bless you. Repeat after me. Afen means thank you. Kapi.
Copy.
The greeting is hello, welcome, pre-life. Pura vida here in Costa Rica. Kapi, you pay the bills, okay? Take a look around, take a picture, so you are ready.
Okay. It's like hanging some parasols. I am in absolute awe. Sloths are one of my favorite animals, so this is such a special, memorable moment. Oh, I see it. Sure. We just saw Persosas. 2, 3. 2 big when baby. There's so much sloth. Oh my god! Stretch that big! We made it to our second official stop where we're getting just a few minutes by the river. I learned a new word.
Insaciable.
Our guide called me this because I asked if we'd see more sloths. And with that, we're arriving to our next destination, the Arenal Volcano Park, where we'll have a short hike to a viewpoint.
Walking through the forest, beats beneath our feet. Whispers of the wildlife, a melody so sweet. Yeah. Birds above, singing songs of praise. In this natural haven, we find our place. Every breath we take, in this lush domain, in this harmony, we break the chain.
In the heart of the rainforest, where the world feels still, nature's embrace, a calming thrill among the greenery. We find our.
We made it to the viewpoint. Currently the clouds are covering the volcano a bit, so hopefully they move before we head down.
Streams of crystal water, flowing pure and clear. In this tranquil paradise, there's nothing to fear. Yeah. Every step, we were more in tune. In this peaceful place, under the moon, with every rustle, the forest sings. In this retreat, we spread our wings.
In the heart of the rainforest, where the world feels still, nature's embrace, a calming thrill among the greenery. We find our peace in this water.
I didn't have any. Yeah.
We found a soda to eat at, and sodas are restaurants with more traditional and affordable meals. I'm getting the typical plate with chicken and tomato sauce and pineapple juice. We're decompressing here while it rains and planning our evening, and after being on the fence, I decided to commit to another adventure tonight. It's still rainy, but I wanted to do a night walking tour, so Jan and I parted ways for now, and here I am. A girl from my hostel also joined, so we are now buddies.
My name is Upi. If you need it like ukulele or your solo.
It's feeling a bit chaotic at times to be holding an umbrella, flashlight, and taking pictures, so a headlamp or hat could be helpful if you plan on doing this. Also, do not wear open-toed shoes like I did, or you could also have an interactive experience with fire ants. Thankfully this occurred towards the end, but 0 out of 10 recommend.
We have a lot of bats. You can touch it, you can have it in your hand. If you have a wound, open wound, then there's a problem. The only this time we don't see it. already.
It's,
All the he have found.
it feels like a game. How many frogs can
Por
you
ahora no, de hecho la buscar acá del fondo no la he encontrado. Yeah, it sounds like a bird making frog.
I don't want it to run away.
What does the back look like?
Kind of green, a little bit, like a light green.
Aquí. De la blanca, beautiful one. Beautiful color on the back.
Oh, crab. I never would have expected them to be like that big either.
They're gonna fix it. They're gonna fix
I had
it in
shivers.
1 hour.
Oh shit, that's a lot.
This is your best
Do you see
friend.
them?
Holy cow.
Are they?
This is your best friend if you get lost in the jungle. Because
Are
it's
they
the
though?
easiest source of protein you can have.
Hay una aquí.
You can do that
Oh.
and you eat them.
No,
and
no, no.
They taste like carrots.
What? No.
Oh,
What?
they
You
taste
wanna
like
try
carrots.
it?
No.
Please, we invite you. No?
Are you gonna do it?
I do it every day. If you wanna taste, I do it before so you sure I not poison you.
But not right now. You don't want to snack?
Would you look? Just one is make carrots. It's make it tastes carrots.
I'm scared.
I made mixing German. But a bunch of them should be very strong because you really feel the taste with one. No? Look. And it really tastes carrots. That's what it is.
They don't bite?
Termite is gonna eat with his tongue everything. It can, you know what is a bullet ant a nest? It's cyanure, it's a poison. They develop it to taste very bad. If something try to eat it, it's gonna let it go. Like it if you fall. So look, maybe.
Pobre.
Oh, nothing is
Hey,
happening right
Ay,
now.
pobre.
this frog eat everything. But the furtherland snake, the most dangerous snake from Mexico to southern Brazil, they love this frog.
Oh.
When they come in front of it, it's gonna poison the frog and it's gonna let it go and think, we're not gonna go far. 10 minutes later, 15 minutes later, it starts to smell and it's gonna follow the toe, bite the snake, the frog, I mean. If it moves, then there are chances, oh look, maybe it's gonna eat it. It's a beautiful frog. When you look from the side, they have a nice drawing on the face,
Yeah.
lines on the jaw. It's a beautiful one.
Their pupils are horizontal. They're not vertical.
Yeah, exactly.
Ah, she's so cute.
Well, the thing of
¿Cómo hacen para no caer así?
I never looked at the thing such a low. Yeah, well, he said the effect lasts 3 days, but I know that 24 hours, there is nothing to do. When the kid sign of prosperity, they
3, 2, 1, smile.
I forgot to take a full picture of my pizza.